In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!